smoking cigarettes, driving his truck.
Is he gonna back up it? Oh. That was a good try.
Hey Dylan! That's the hill I drove down in my fucking Jimmy.
Yeah, we got lots of room. You're sliding over here.
Yeah, last time I was up here, this fucking hill climb was
wide on this shit. Actually, you know what? Just cut her, you'll be good. Come right through here, you're fucking cool.
Lee, you're in the way.
Okay, now back her up.
Lee's always in the way.
That's what she said.
Yes, that's what she said. That's what he said.
Okay, now come kind of straight over this way. Good. Okay, hang on. Let me reposition my body here so I don't get run over. Okay, I'm gonna go on that rock, please.
Okay.
Fucking This has crash granola. You might want to get your cameras out.
Leroy,
Yeah.
keep an eye on that tire sensor on that rock.
Yeah. Okay. Stick wide here, Sparky. Okay, cut it over. Cut, cut, cut. Hey. No.
Back it up.
Back it up. Turn. A little bit more. Okay, now crank and come this way. Okay, straight a little bit. What, you got bugs?
No, he's got crabs.
Hang on. Back up a little bit and turn your wheel. Okay, now turn your wheel this way. You're just going to come up over a rock here. Give her. Nice. Okay, hang on a sec.
Oh, where am I going? Am I in the way?
Okay, Sparky.
Better door than a window.
Pretty much,
I make a better Sasquatch than a window.
pretty much just come straight now, dude. Need the air down, man. Yep. Nice and slow. You're good. You're good. Keep coming.
Fucking sandspine's always in the way. Get out of here!
Oh, fuck, couldn't hurt that bad.
Dude, you need to air down. Why are you running for air pressure?
If I air down, I remember cold on sharp shit and pop.
That sucks.
I know, I need tires.
Yeah, there you go. Wasn't gonna be a problem going up this hill. Okay, take your time and get lined up just like you want, dude. You can go straight back, you don't have any big rocks behind you there. They're gonna cause you a major issue. Try and get your truck on this line if you can. You're gonna go from there?
Wave at the camera, Leroy.
You need to get straighter onto it, Sparky.
Sparky! Sparky!
Yeah, now crank your wheel and let your front end come over as you back up.
There you go. That's beauty.
Take a run at it.
Don't go all the way down.
Shouldn't have done that.
Yeah, fuck.
Hang on, Sparky.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Videotaping me? It's not cool, I don't like that.
Whatever, you're not cool.
You are.
You'll get over it.
What?
What?
Looks like you got a hairy back.
You're not. You're a whore.
What?
You're a whore.
I'm a fucking slut, okay? There's a difference. A whores do drugs. A whore does drugs, not do drugs.
It's gonna feel a little rough at the start. Try to change it a little bit. Just get all the rocks out. But pretty much go straight where you are and just go with it.
So, hey Dill, you're getting an awesome video of your Jeep just sitting there doing fuck all.
Okay, pin it.
Well, don't pin.